Police dismantled a migrants' camp set up on the Mexican side of the U.S.-Mexico border. Local officials have cited security reasons behind Sunday's action. Early in the morning, riot police agents stepped into a camp in the city of Ciudad Juarez. The camp that was set up by around 600 migrants, mostly from Venezuela, lies next to the U.S. border wall, beside the Bravo River. Tensions rose when officers forced resisting migrants out and started pulling tents away. Some tents caught fire during the operation, with police officers pushing them into the nearby river to douse the flames.
Hubo quemadera, hubo volteadera de carpas con niños adentro, hubo muchos policías que se pusieron groseros con nosotros, que no era el hecho porque ellos siempre deberían resguardar la seguridad de las personas. Y siempre todos los días nos custodiaban los policías acá, nos cuidaban, 2 patrullas siempre estaban acá cuidándonos. Ahora ese cambio repentino, de verdad que nos cayó como un balde de agua fría, se sintió mal.
Authorities say the move was aimed at preserving the migrant security, as there was a risk of fires, drownings, or even hypothermia. Official data released last Monday shows Mexico detained more than 16,000 migrants in a 4-day span, including nearly 5,000 Venezuelans. U.S. authorities last month announced a plan in agreement with Mexico to return some Venezuelan migrants who entered the U.S. illegally to Mexico. Earlier this month, however, a U.S. court ruled unlawful the pandemic-era order known as Title 42. The decree was used to expel migrants to Mexico. Since then, thousands of migrants have been found camping in poor conditions elsewhere in Mexico. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.